I'm going to report it, because I'm going to hurt you.
So that is a threat me?
Yes, I'm going to hurt you. And listen me very careful. Listen me. You see, any time in 3 weeks lock them up, then he's not going to kill you.
Me know for a fact that him not going to kill Denise. And him full of chat. That's all him full of. I'm just one of them man that will talk things and him not doing it. I'm 100% sure.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen. Please pray for me while me I pray for you.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. Now people, we are going to talk about this leak conversation between Peter and Denise. Now, I don't know if you hear this conversation elsewhere, but Peter and Denise, like the two of them, did there. However, Denise want to step out of the relationship, Denise want done with Peter. She want left Peter. But Peter decides, say, Denise now go left. So one long 10-minute convo that I will definitely play snippet of that convo in this video, but me not play the whole eyes. I will upload the full convo, however, on my Instagram page, IGTV, yeah. So, Denise want make a move. But Peter decides say Denise now make a move. A matter of fact, Peter decides say anytime the 3 weeks of lockdown done, he ma go dash her. Meaning, he ma go get rid of her. Meaning, she go under dirt. Now, in the midst of everything, cause this report me just go talk about everything when me miss out. Cause we kind of miss out and we go play catch up. Anyway, Peter end up get arrested and we go talk about that. And Peter relative come out and attack some damning things, and some things where you kind of want pre to. And people, I am going to be on, I not say the Bible line or something there, but me I go be transparent as possible. Me not pick no side. I want you to tell me in the comment section what I go on or what opinion, because it's not a case where someone right and someone wrong. You see me? But before we talk about that, we want to talk about this track I'm play in the intro by Adv when he pray for me.
In times like these, anybody can fall. Judge me, I beg you have mercy upon us all. Coping with this losses, it's so hard to carry on.
People, may I tell you a thing? You see, in a time like now, you can't take nothing for granted. And that's why I well want to touch upon the Peter and Denise situation there. You can't take nothing for granted nowadays. If a man say, him a go kill you, you have to take him serious. If a girl say, she a go do you something, you have to take her serious. Because a lot of people talk from the other day, I say, Chaddy, you're one-sided. Chaddy, you're only there over there, so you only talk about the girl them. But at the end of the day, at the females them, I see I get hurt whole heap right now. So nobody do that something there. Because I step out and say, yo, end violence against female and rare. Yeah, we want all violence to end. All violence to end. All violence towards man too. But we see, the females them a get dropped like fly now. Some a get take away, some a get threatened. Yesterday one dead over St. Thomas and then the man go kill himself. You see me? So you can't take nothing for granted right now. People, please don't be selfish and remember in the last year when George Floyd dead and people are run around and say, yo, Black Lives Matters. And then the white people them go so, booms, oh not talk about say Black Lives Matters like a black life alone matters. All life matters. And then we see them black people eat out pan the white people them and say, yo, you can't counter a march, you can't counter a movement. But now the same thing you know I try to do me. Not because I step out and defend the females them. Me no mean say a one-sided thing there. We want all violence for stop. You see me? So don't try pre me and I say, yo, Chaddy, your son want. And you see me? I'm never to want shed no more light on this. We are talking about Adv song now and then we're going at the Denise and Peter argument. Zine? Because right now, the whole world need prayer. I want to just pray for me while me I pray for you.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen.
People, that song is powerful. That song is powerful and me I left it right there so cause me know I want to hear more. But I know nothing. Looking at the description, me I go left a link. If you watch on Instagram, me tag the artist page, so just go over there and show him some love. Right? And if you know watch on Facebook, look in at the comment section, same way. Me I go put a link in at the comment section, just click it and go on over the people. Support good songs, support good movements, support good cause. Adv, pray for me. Lex them, big up yourself. Kingpin Records, big up yourself. Uno, produce it.
Everything is so confusing, we losing, no one's in love the most. That I know the enemy. When life can't get no more, we say amen. To Jah we keep praying.
Let me start off by saying this. Me no feel say no man at all fear kill no woman. No care what she do, your brother. From she not take a life for you, and all when she take a life for you, that different and that one different argument. But not because a woman want to step out her relationship and done with you. You know if you put her under dirt, brother. Make she go on. Find somebody to talk to. Find a pastor. Find a police. Find a guidance counselor. Get counseling somebody to talk to, brother. But at the end of the day, if she want go, make she go on. Don't hurt her. And for the man them, Zine, I remember me tell you say to the name split justice. So we are split justice, boy. Brother, wanna stop give woman things and I expect something back in return. May I say it again. Stop give woman things and I expect something back in return. You see, if you give a woman something, do it out of your heart, bro. Don't do it because you expect something. Because you see, when you do it and you expect something and you end up don't get it, it costs you to do things. And don't give a woman too much where if you lose half of that woman there, it will damage you mentally or financially. Make sure say you can sustain yourself. So if you can afford to buy her a car and tomorrow morning she say, yo brother, me don't want you, go and buy your ways. You can just call it a loss and know say, sure, I want car that. But that is what you can afford. You see me? So if you go to booms and pay her light bill 2 times, pay her rent 2 times, that's what you can afford. Don't go above and appear 1 year. So when she decides to step out from you now, you say G's and P's and I look on it. My lost everything. You're supposed to be able to say, nah man, and nothing that man. If she want to go on with that, she can go on with that. Cause me have more things over. Yes sir. You get what me I say? For the man them again. Brother, no for uno a road. Have uno baby mother a suffer. Have uno pitney them a suffer. And uno a pick up woman a road a mine. Uno a pick up woman there so, woman over there so, woman round a one part. And uno pick me a suffer. How uno do it? Me no know how uno do it. You can't ask me. Me a ask uno to tell me in the comment section how them do it. Them pitney a suffer. Them baby mother a suffer. Now me telling you something, brother. You see, if you want to spend a money on a woman, spend it on your baby mother, bro. All if it's a girl with hurt you that the wickedest way. Or if it's a girl where you eat like poison and you don't want nothing to do with her, it better you spend it on your baby mother. And one might have said, Chaddy, if me don't want nothing to do that with that girl, why me I go improve for your life of living? Brother, you dunce or stupid. If your life of living better, automatically the pitney life of living will go better. Right? If she eat steak, the pitney must eat steak unless I want little wicked workless mama. But at the end of the day, most time, once the pitney eat steak, or once the mother eat steak, the pitney eat steak. You see me? So just look upon it as an investment and you're investing in your pitney. Want to tell me in the comment section if I'm wrong or I'm right. No for you have no money, I want to spend it and you pitney a suffer, bro. Don't do it. And then gone over there, gonna spend money, bag of money for a woman, and when woman left you, give your bun, walk out and say, yo brother, I don't need you anymore. You vex and want to kill off the woman them. When the woman never stick you up with your gun and say, yo, give me everything in your pocket. No for you go cuss me in the comment section, but I care zero. Hear me now. For the ladies them, cause you nah get way now. You feel like you no get way, but you nah get way. If you know say you don't want the man, don't take him things. Me repeat myself again. If you know say you don't not want the man, don't take the man things. Not everybody can hold it like me, like a G. Not everybody I go just hold it and know say, yo, make she go on, man. Make she go on, man. No, you have some crazy man out there, my friend. And them man there, we got some booms and just a dear things. Put your body over there so and what? We are going to come out and say him should do it and ball and that, which indeed him should do it. Don't get me wrong, him should have never do it. But at the end of the day, you gone and you can't come back none at all. You see me? So if you avoid certain situation, don't take the man them things if you know say you don't want the man them. Just don't do it. And as I say, we understand this shouldn't go on where the man just know say you are lost, but it's not everybody can hold it, bro. It's not everybody can hold it. So if you know you don't want the man, avoid situation like these when me have to accompany internet and attack. Avoid all of them situation there and keep your life precious. Try to be independent. And not me love more than an independent girl. We just do our thing by ourselves and no need no boy, no dirty girl, no nothing. Just do our thing. That's my few cents on this. Now we are going to talk about what really happened. We should have done that in the first place, but we just go off on a rant. So people, the voice note, or I should say the convo, it leak. And I don't think say me go play it in another video here. Because that video is probably too long. If you want to watch the full or listen to the full convo there, people looking at my Instagram, I go upload it fully. Alright? So when it leak now, we hear in the intro when we play the man I say, yo, I'm a dash your body after this 3-day curfew, after this 3-week curfew and lock in done, the man I got dispose of her. You see me? And now we have a leak voice note with a relative. I come out and I say, no, it's like him not serious. As what I saying at the beginning of the video, my friend, you can't hear them thing and don't take them serious. So if she goes so booms and report it, I just saw it go. But before we play that, more have to make you know say the brother in the jail right now. Yeah, the brother was threatening Dennis, that a Peter. Yeah man, Peter they are jail right now. So them assault him and deal with him and deal with everything. So people, make we hear what Peter relative have to say. And oh, she say, yo, the man never serious and a joke him a make. Well, she never say a joke him a make, but she just say him no serious and him not have them link there. But listen what she have to say.
I listen all of the voice call, I see it all over the internet, and it look really bad. You understand? And I know him sorry for everything we say. I know him sorry. And me know for a fact that him not go kill Denise. And him full of chat. That's all him full of. I'm just one of them man that will talk things and him not doing it. I'm 100% sure. Denise is not the first woman to hurt him. You understand? Denise is not the first person to hurt him. And just like how him say them things that so insane and he not do nothing. He doesn't know. Yeah, I understand, but the whole killing me are going and you know people free for their life and whatever. But come on, man. Denise know. Say. Him is not that type of person. Come on, you have 4 kids. You have 4 kids. If not 3, 4. I think it's 4 kids you have. And, you know, if the man at work and him give him money, throw up much partner for you and you're going to leave. You can't want to leave with everything. You can't want to leave with everything. And men didn't know, say, she never want him. You understand? But you can't tell him nothing, you know. You cannot tell him anything. So you have to just love a man. And you know, fear for you and a man day and you take the man things. You just take it with no care. You understand? With no care. Yeah, you might have 4 or 3 children already, but when you get a picnic female, you dash it away. You're almost dead while doing it. Come on. If he never kill you for that, what you do? You think I just really upset you, man. I just wish him never did say them things there. As I know he don't mean it, but Denise and I first woman who hurt him. And it hurt me to see every woman come and hurt him after all the good them when do. Everybody just come and use him. Just come and use him. It's not fair. You understand? It's not fair. And everybody go through phases in their life with them partner. And, you know, as a woman, man, you get certain things and you cuss and you say the most things when you're upset. But that's just in the moment. While you have some man where we say it and then we do it. But there's always two sides to the story, because you have a man would have take man things and then know it's not easy to take care of 4 pitney and a woman when none of them are not fear one. You understand? And the man show the partner, you get the money, you pay for the something. Yeah, it's in your name, but it's not yours. Be honest enough to say it's not yours. What you are going to do with that's something they know. You know no farm with me no off. What you are going to do with it? You know how we making do what I do. You are going to take you and spitefully now give me, because you know you're in the day and he say, hey babes, well I'm money, you go buy look at things, put in your house and 3 things them in your name, you want everything. Come on man, have conscience. Have conscience. Have conscience. And I say you do things. Me not say man have right for kill man, you know, don't get me wrong. I am not saying that. You understand? I'm not saying that if you're a woman there and she want to leave, you make sure go on. But at the same time, ladies, remember people have feelings. I know the first time this happened. And if the first person will hurt him way more than you. If him never kill that the person there, then know him not kill you. I saw him full of chat. First of all, him don't have no links nowhere. I mean 100% sure that him not have no links. When I listen to something, me not lie, me literally laugh. Because me know I saw him stay. And it just hurt me, because a lot of person don't know the type of person he is. You understand? But a lot of persons can say yes, he's not a killer. And ladies, be careful how you use people boy pitney. Then is you have boy pitney. You know you have boy pitney. You would want to say a woman come and use your son. You understand? What do you, when you're sick down there, you should have left him that time there for the plans to leave, you should have leave. You understand? If you see say it now work, you should have leave long time. You sit down and wait, make him man throw up this heap of partner and do everything, and then no, and that's how you do things. People have feelings, man. People have feelings. People have feelings.
So people, when you hear what Peter relative have to say, me not go to add nothing, I'm not subtract nothing. Me tell you that from the beginning. Want you to tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole saga, what you think about this whole situation. You see me? And me I want the ladies them again, please. Please. If you know say you don't want the hombre, don't take him things. The man them. If you know say, if you give a girl X, Y, and Z and the girl cut, you know I go feel some type of way, or you go to all out, so it's a big loss for you know. Do not do it, brother, because you go in a situation where you want to do our things and you go to jail and you are burning you out. You see me? We could just try to live good in harmony. Do good to other people. Do good to the males them, do good to the females them. Females have feelings and the male them have feelings too. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.